Hello and welcome to the Wind Environmental Services Wind Image Video Support Series. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the process of generating an image integrated feature class or an Esri shapefile. Once you've loaded and pre-processed your images as needed, we'll start by selecting these images and clicking the Create button. In the Create box, we're going to start by browsing to the location where you wish to store your new feature class or shapefile in, and we're going to give the new file a name. Note here that if you choose a folder for the destination, WindImage will create a shapefile. If you choose a geodatabase, such as I have here, then WindImage will automatically create a feature class. But if instead of creating a new feature class, let's say we want to append images to an existing feature class, we can do it by simply selecting the feature class and clicking Save. Notice that we get a pop-up that says the object already exists. Do we wish to replace it? Go ahead and say yes. WindImage will not replace your existing feature class, but does in fact append the new images to it. Moving down the row, we're at the projection box. This is where you set the type of coordinate system you would wish to use, or of course you can use the default latitude-longitude projection. If you're appending to a feature class, as I am here, then the coordinate system is already set and nothing more needs to be done there. Let's move down the row to the images box. Here is where you select the type of image integration you wish to use, either embedded or linked. Note that embedded is only available when creating feature classes. If you choose to link your images, and you want WindImage to automatically rename them with a date and time identifier, or a custom identifier of your choice, then check the corresponding boxes. Note that if you do choose to link your images, you must also select a radio button here that indicates whether you want to copy or remove the linked images. By default, WindImage places the images in the directory where your new or appended feature class or your new shapefile will exist. You may also select another location to store your images in by checking the To Specified folder box. Next, if you would like to have a border around your images, then simply check the Create Border box and your images will have a border around them when displayed in your maps as thumbnails. Of course, you can also change the size and color of the border if you choose to include them. Let's move to the Offsets box. We'll start with the magnetic declination for your project area. Magnetic declination provides correction between true and magnetic north, which is important for a camera with a compass, so that your image direction is always shown accurately in ArcMap. Next, if you're using a laser device, such as a laser technology True Pulse laser, and you want to have the point location set to your image target location, check the Offset Based on Laser Distance box. If you're not using a laser, enter the default distance to your target, or the average anyway, as this info is useful in calculating the field of view. Let's go ahead and use the field of view for these new images we're adding. Next, we'll move on to the imprint window. You can check the imprint box if you want to imprint information on top of your images, such as the date and time, latitude, longitude, etc. If you've created a new imprint file using the imprint application, you can use it as an automatic template by simply clicking the Browse button and using the existing imprint file. Alternately, you can create a new one if you haven't done that yet. Next, we'll move to the Symbology box. This lets you choose the type of symbology you want to assign when it loads the feature class as a layer in ArcMap. Next, you'll have to choose the field that you want ArcMap to rotate the layer symbols based on. If you're creating a new feature class or a shapefile, then the image direction field is automatically selected. If you're appending to an existing feature class, such as I am here, then we'll have to manually specify the image direction field. With everything in, let's click on the Create button to create our new feature class, or in this case, append to the existing feature class. Dataset is created. Let's go ahead and add it to the map, see what it looks like. There we have the field of view for our new images we added, and I did not have the field of view for the previous images, so you can see the difference. This concludes our image integrated feature class or shapefile video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or issues, please email us at support@windenvironmental.com. Thank you and have a good day.